Are you still spending hours creating title animations, transitions, or doing color grading? Let me help you save hours of editing time. In this video, I'll introduce you to the Ultimate Motion Bundle, which contains thousands of pre-made templates, including typography title animations, seamless transitions, openers and scenes, amazing logo reveals, elements and mock-ups, and much more. This pack includes over 9,000 pre-made templates, all of which can be used with a single click. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this pack will help you save hours in your editing process. You'll also get a free bundle with it, so make sure to watch the video till the end to grab your free pack. Alright, so this is the landing page of the Ultimate Motion Bundle, and you'll find the link in the description below. As you can see, this bundle includes more than 9,000 creative templates and elements. It's a one-time purchase for a lifetime, which means you don't have to pay anything in the future. They also add new stuff every month to this bundle, which is really impressive. The pack is available for both Premiere Pro and After Effects, and you can even grab a combined license if you want to. Now, here's the interesting part. This pack costs $100 USD for a lifetime commercial license, which is already very affordable. But here's the deal for you. If you use my coupon code at checkout, you'll get an additional 30% discount. That means the Premiere Pro bundle will cost you just $70 US for lifetime access. I've mentioned the discount code and link in the description, so make sure to check it out. For the free bundle, you can go to the freebie section and click on Ultimate Motion Freebie. It's absolutely free and contains some amazing templates from the main bundle, so grab it now. It's free. So here I am in Premiere Pro. This bundle can be used through the Atom X plugin. I've already set up everything. Don't worry about the installation process. It's quite simple and easy, and everything you need is included in the pack. Alright, as you can see here, there are a lot of templates included in this pack, around 9,000 templates in total, covering everything you need to create a great video. The pack is very well organized, and everything can be used with just a single click. It's fully customizable, so even if you've just started editing, you can easily use and modify these templates in your own style. Since the pack is really huge, I've divided it into categories, so we can take a look at everything and see what's included in this bundle. Let's start with typography. This pack includes a wide range of title animations. First, we have grunge typography, which offers several amazing title styles. The first category is poster titles. Let's drag one onto the timeline, and it's done within seconds. It looks great. To customize it, simply double-click and the Properties panel will open. Here, you can change the text, font, size, colors, and position. Everything. You can even control how much effect is applied to the animation, which is super useful. That's how simple it is to use these titles. Next, we have box titles, mainly used for lower thirds. Then we have gradient, brush, bold, and simple titles, which also look great and can be used as lower thirds or main headings. Now let's move to crispy type, which contains a lot of amazing title animations. Here, you'll see multiple categories to choose from, so you can pick what fits your video's vibe. We have slide scenes, ready to use with 3 different styles. Another great category is neon titles under the stylized section. These look super clean. Just double-click to add them to your timeline. In Properties, you can customize their colors and effects for each text line individually. One of the best things about this pack is that you can control every effect used in the templates. Under HUD, you'll find title templates that give a perfect tech vibe. Another one of my favorites is clean titles. This section includes many minimal and smooth title animations. Each category has multiple sections inside, offering tons of options. There are around 200 minimal titles that look smooth and professional. You'll also find more lower thirds, with 4 different categories to choose from. Next are highlighted titles, which are very trendy these days. These are truly gems, clean and modern. In the Properties panel, you can change scribble positions, gradient colors, and stroke animations. These kinds of custom settings are rare in most template packs. You'll also find blinking and gradient title animations to highlight specific words for more attention. Another great category is kinetic titles. All are super smooth and eye-catching. Creating such animations in After Effects takes time, but this pack lets you do it in seconds. Also, the big and super simple titles in the clean section are perfect for headings, subtitles, or quick call to actions. Many editors use these styles nowadays because of their smooth animations and professional look. Next, we have the glitch category, which includes 4 sections, from simple flicker to advanced displacement effects. You'll also find color glitch titles for gaming videos and VHS titles for 90s style edits. This pack also includes special event titles for big events and social media templates like YouTube, subscribe, like, and comment animations, as well as Instagram animations. They're all smooth and easy to customize. Just double-click to add them, replace the image or text, and you're done. There's also a glitch version with great title animations to explore. You'll also get 145 openers organized in different sections. These scenes are easy to use. Just drag onto your timeline or double click, add your custom video or image, and your scene is ready. For quick logo reveals, this pack has clean logo reveals and glitch logo reveals, both perfect for intros. That's it for the crispy type section. Moreover, in the Make It Cool category, you'll find another typography section with 140 title animations across different styles. In the pitch section, you'll see pitch titles that look like short intros or main headings divided into different themes. Let's try one from the freestyle category. It looks great and is easy to customize with your own footage. Lastly, in the spotlight section, you'll find pre-made videos perfect for Instagram stories or highlights. The stylized section also offers templates for various niches. So that's it for the title animation part. This pack literally contains thousands of title animations, making it impossible to try them all, but each one is worth exploring. Now let's move to the transitions categories. Just like the title animations, this pack contains a huge variety of transitions for every kind of video. If you go over to Crispy Cut, you'll see it includes more than 1,700 transitions divided into different categories, which is absolutely crazy because that's a lot. If you go to the Instant section, you'll find some amazing transitions. To apply one, just place your playhead between the clips where you want to use the transition. Select any layer from both clips, then double-click on the transition you want to use. It will automatically be added to your timeline within seconds. It's really quick. The best thing is that these transitions already include sound effects, so you don't need to find or match audio separately, which is a big time saver. In the Properties panel, you'll see settings where you can place your footage. To do that, go to the Project panel, and under Atom X Placeholder, you'll see your footage. Just drag and drop it into the Properties Footage section. You can also control the transition itself, like how much of each effect you want to apply, which is absolutely unreal. As someone who has been making transition packs for years, I can say it's really difficult to give this level of control to users. So being able to customize everything is amazing. If your footage doesn't fit perfectly into the footage box, you can adjust its scale, width, and height for perfect results. It's super simple and a real time saver for editors. You'll find the Camera category, which looks clean and includes different kinds of spin transitions. Each category feels totally unique and gives a perfect vibe. There are also Slide transitions, which look really good. Let's try one by dragging it onto the timeline. Adjust its size, width, and height, and we're good to go. In the Camera category, we also have Zoom and Shake transitions, which are great as well. Each of them includes more subcategories to explore and choose from. Just like the Camera and Instant sections, you'll find many other main categories of transitions. The Fade category gives you flicker or blur transitions. There's a Glitch category that includes a variety of transitions, from color and overlay to shake and stretch effects. We also have Light Leaks transitions, perfect for cinematic videos, where you want to match the transitions vibe with your footage. At the end of Crispy Cut, you'll see the Warp transitions, which I personally love. They're similar to spin transitions, but more advanced. Besides Crispy Cut, you'll find more transitions under the Pitch category, which are also very clean. So that's it for the transitions included in this pack. Next, we have Sound Effects. This pack includes more than 600 high-quality sound effects. It covers almost every type of sound you'll ever need for your edits, including glitch, whooshes, all of these are in high-quality audio and can be used simply by double-clicking on any of them. This pack will fulfill every sound effects need you'll ever have during editing. Next, we have LUTs. This pack also contains more than 900 plus LUTs for your videos. As you can see, these are divided into 6 main categories, and inside each, you'll find even more subcategories to choose from. Each folder includes different kinds of LUTs. These LUTs cover almost every kind of video style and are great in both variety and quality. This pack also includes other useful assets like backgrounds, shapes, overlays, and elements. If you go to the Flow category, you'll find many backgrounds divided into different sections. In the Flat section, you'll see line or circle-based backgrounds that look great. In Noise, you'll find clean and stylish backgrounds that work perfectly for minimal edits. There's also a Complete Gradients category, divided into multiple sections with different colors and shapes, all in Ultra HD quality, which is a big plus. You'll find a wide variety of backgrounds here. There's also a dedicated Shapes category containing high-quality quality shapes divided into various sections, from hand-drawn to neon and blurry shapes. Everything is available in this single pack. You'll also find icons, which are really helpful when explaining scenes during editing. There's even a social media category, where you'll find animated social media buttons for platforms like YouTube and Instagram. You'll also get pre-made mock-ups, where you just replace the text and images. Lastly, there's a widgets category, containing clean, high-quality pre-made templates. These save you the hassle of creating them manually, as everything is already done for you. So all in all, the Ultimate Motion Bundle has a massive collection of trending templates. It includes more than 9,000 templates across a wide range of categories, giving you plenty of options to choose from. The best thing about this pack is its affordability. It's a one-time purchase for a lifetime, and you can use my coupon code for an additional 30% discount. I personally recommend this pack because at this price, no one else offers such high-quality templates. It truly contains everything you need to create a great video. Make sure to check out the Ultimate Motion Bundle, and if you want to try it first, you can also explore their free pack to get an idea of what's possible with the full collection. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.